professional configuration. And then also another one that I like is the curve machining. What we did here is we used these two curves that we already have around this perimeter and that perimeter. So basically what it does is it places a toolpath, projects the toolpath down onto the part model along this curve. You can go along the curve or you can go across the curve. We're just going along the curve, and we're using a zigzag cut pattern. We're starting on the right. It's going to cut both sides. So it's cutting a 1/16 of an inch on both sides. Okay, and here's the step over. And obviously your entry exit. What this does is it allows you to have a constant, well, I don't think this one is a constant, I think it's just a projection, but it allows you to have a cleanup area, a bandwidth along any curve. So if you have some maybe scalloping or some witness lines or something around where these fillets meet the top, or when this fillet meets this fillet, or when this fillet meets the top, you can clean those up using this cut pattern. Really good option to use. As you can see in the professional, you get a lot more. You have a lot more options in the 3-axis, more advanced options for machining, and most of these relate to a better part finish, a higher degree of accuracy. When you're done cutting, possibly less rework, less hand sanding, or maybe just go over it with an emery cloth just to clean that up a little bit around it. But these toolpath methods will pretty much get it almost all the way done for you.